Hello everyone. In this particular video, we will see how to convert text into different columns, that is text to columns. If we have text in one column and want to create different columns, so we can create it. Now see, I have written some sample of data on my screen. If you observe these name, there is a separator, that is space. I have written Ruchi Sharma and there is a space between Ruchi and Sharma. Now in another example, you can see the separator is n% and in the last you can see the separator is at and you can say at the rate. Now see, Ruchi Sharma is written here. I want as soon as the space occurs, it will convert into different columns. That means I want Ruchi in different column, Sharma in different column. So first of all, I have to select the text. Now click on data tab. From data tab, I have to click on this option, that is text to column. After clicking it, you will get a dialog box. In this dialog box, you can see there is two options. One is delimited, another is fixed width. Firstly, I am going to select delimited option and I have to click on this next button. After clicking on next button, you will see the second step. Now it is asking delimiters, whether your separator is a tab, semicolon, it's a comma, it can be a space or any other. Now here in my example, my delimiter or my separator is a space. So I am going to click this checkbox. Now see, in the preview window you can see it created a line in between these two words. Now I have to click on next button. Now see, it is asking for destination. Now here you can see $A, $2 means A2 column. If I click finish, then see, it created two columns. First is this column Ruchi, second is this column. But I don't want to disturb my source data. So for that I have to again click on text to column option, next. After clicking on this space option, I have to click next. Now this time I want to select the another location, that is I want here. Now after clicking on finish option, you can see it separated these two words in different columns. Now if you want to apply text to column option on this entire cells, then you have to select it first. After that, click on this text to columns option. I am going with this delimited option again. Next, my separator is a space. Next, now I have to choose the location. I am going to select the location. After that, I have to just click on finish option. Now see, it separated my text. Whenever the space occurs, it created that in different columns. Here you can see there are three columns because after M there is a space and after R there is another space. Now come to another, that is name with n%. Now see, I want to separate this type of text into different columns. I have to just click on text to column option, delimited. Now this time my separator is not space, not comma, not semicolon, it is anything else. Then I have to click on this other option and I have to write my separator, that is n%. Next we have to click here and I have to just choose the location. After that, I'm going to press finish. Now see, my name is in different column. If I want to convert the whole column, so I have to click on this option, text to column, click on next, next, choose the location, and after that I have to finish it. Now see, whenever the n% is there, it created that text into different columns. That means in my example, the separator was n%. Same in the case of at, that is at the rate or at. Now see, I want to separate these text in different column. Whenever this sign, this at sign occur, I want it will convert my text in different columns. So first of all, I have to select the text. Now after that, I have to click on this text to column option, delimited, next. Now this time my separator is at, and click on next, give the destination. I want this destination because I don't want to trouble the source data. After that, finish. Now see, whenever this and at occur, it split my text into different columns. Now see, one more thing. I have to first select the text. After that, I have to click on text to column option. Now this time I am not going with the delimited option. I am going to select fixed width, and I have to just press next button. Now see, I can choose if I want these. I want to split my text after 2 alphabet, that is RU, and you can see in the preview window. If I want to separate from here, I can split my text, but I want RU in different column and rest of the text in different column. Now I have to just click next. I have to select the location, otherwise it will disturb my source data. I'm going to select this location and now press finish option. Now see what happened. It split my text in 2 columns, and I choose 2 alphabet in the first column and rest of the text in the another column. Now you can see another example. Suppose I want to split it in fixed width. I have to first select it. After that, I am going to press this option, text to column, fixed width. Now I want two separator. I want to split my text in 3 columns. That is, I want RUC, 3 alphabet in 1 column, and I want some in second column, rest in third column. I have to click on next option, give the desired location where you want your result. After that, I have to just press finish option. Now see, it created 3 columns. 3 alphabet in first column I choose earlier, some I choose in the middle column, and rest in the last column. So in this way, you can split your text into different columns according to your choice. Whether you can go for the delimited option, that is whenever the separator occur, you can split your text in different column, or you can split according to your need. That's it for this video.